Hey everyone, it's Heather Nichols, and it's that time of year when a lot of us are doing our holiday shopping. And once we get those gifts home, we need to figure out how to wrap those up to give to our loved ones. We're going to get crafty today with our gift wrap and used hinged tins to wrap up some smaller gifts. The tins are perfect for packaging up things like gift cards, earrings that you've created using our designer dangles collections, and even our enamel pins. There are some fun products in the Tailored Expressions web store to help you dress up your hinged tins and get them ready to go. We're going to use the gift card frame die, the on display tin insert die, and the treat topper die. I'll use die Playful Patterns Holiday Pattern Paper Pack to dress up my hinged tins, as well as a few other products from the Tailored Expressions web store. I'll start off by die cutting the different elements that I need to cover my hinged tin. I'll be using the gift card die and die cutting that from several pieces of the pattern paper. I'll use the treat topper die and die cut that from toffee cardstock. I will also die cut the on display tin insert from toffee cardstock. And finally, I'll die cut a few items with the Winter Greens die collection, some red bows from Cherry Pop cardstock, and some pine branches from cilantro cardstock. Next, I'll attach the pattern paper to the top of the lid and also to the inside of each of the lids on the hinged tins. I'll add the toffee treat topper die cut to the top of the lids, framing the pattern paper piece that's on there. Next, I'll add a little bit of embellishment to my hinged tins using the Winter Greens die collection. I have a bunch of pine branches all die cut out from cilantro cardstock. I wanted to add a little bit of extra sparkle to my pine branches, so I'll use a glue pen and just add some glue to the ends of the branches and then dip that into some glitter. I'll attach the pine branches and the red bows into the little scallop circle area on each of the hinged tins. To the center of each red bow, I'll add a snowflake that is die cut with the Little Bit Snowflake Confetti die from Sugar Cube cardstock. I had a big pile of sentiments that I had already stamped using the Mini Strips Holiday stamp set and Mini Strips die. I used those on my boxes and I'm attaching them with the foam sticky strips adhesive from Tailored Expressions. I also added a few more snowflakes that I die cut using the Little Bit Snowflake Confetti die across the top of each of the tins. Once the tins are all decorated, it's time to wrap up our gifts. The gift card fits really easily inside of a hinged tin. And then for the earrings, I used the on display tin insert die, and I used the little holes that are included with the die collection to add the earrings. For the enamel pin, I'm just going to take the pin and push it right through the on display tin insert and then add the back to hold the pin into place, and that insert fits right inside of the hinged tin. I decided to add one last final finishing touch to the inside of my tins by scattering a few more snowflake die cuts across the inserts. These little gifts are all wrapped up and ready for gift giving for the holiday season. Maybe you'll decide to get crafty this year with your holiday gift wrapping, and you'll need to pick up a few hinged tins of your own. You can find hinged tins and all of the supplies that I used to create this project at the Tailored Expressions web store at tailoredexpressions.com. Thanks for joining me today, everybody, and I'll see you next time.